Hi stylers, welcome back to another video. Now today I'm decluttering behind my sofa. Now behind my sofa is a storage ground for things that I purchased. I just put them there until I find a location. If you're living in a small space, you know this struggle. If you're new here, I am Renee and I share all things home related. So if you're interested in DIY, makeover, home decor shopping videos, you're at the right place. So stick around to the end, subscribe if you love content like this, and hit that notification bell. So let's start cleaning. So it's a good thing I decided to declutter, because as you can see, those two boxes, those are two bathroom vanity, the vanities that I used to create the entrance table at my family house. Yes, so my friend, we purchased a lot of them. My friend used 3 of them to create a nice TV console. She asked me just yesterday if I had any more, and I said I have one only that I need to put in my bathroom to do something. So cleaning up here, I see that I actually have 2. So this is early, so she have a vanity to get. So guys, remember, you can use things, they don't have to be used for what they name. So these bathroom vanities, we use them to create entrance table. Hers is used as a TV stand. My brother uses as a side table because they were on a special and I purchased a whole lot of them. Because even the one that you see in my living room in the corner and the coffee table that I DIY, that's a different type of vanity as well. Thank you again for watching. If you love this video, you will love the next video on the screen, so see you there.